Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a firm wake time and treating it like a non-negotiable appointment. Once awake, get bright light within 30 minutes to shift your circadian clock. This tells your brain it's daytime. Make sure to avoid naps longer than 20 minutes because they blunt sleep pressure. Move your body and drink water to clear grogginess. Light activity increases alertness and metabolic signaling. By doing these first actions, you force a phase shift that begins correcting your schedule immediately. Once morning light and movement are done, reinforce daytime cues through timing. Exercise in the afternoon, never right before bed, boosts sleep drive and improves sleep quality, while a strict caffeine cutoff about 8 hours before sleep prevents delayed sleep onset. Make your largest meal earlier and keep dinner lighter 2-3 hours before bed. Metabolic cues help shift circadian rhythm. Also maintain consistent social and work timing to signal daytime. Together, these midday routines deepen daytime alert. As evening arrives, begin a 60 to 90-minute wind down. Dim lights, avoid screens, and use breathing or progressive muscle relaxation to lower arousal. Make the bedroom cool and dark, roughly 16 to 19 degrees C, and reserve the bed for sleep to strengthen the bed-sleep association. If you can't sleep after about 20 minutes, get up and do a quiet, low-stimulus task until you feel sleepy, then return to bed. This stimulus control plus consistent wake time completes the one-day reset and prevents conditioned wakefulness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.